Internships play a crucial role in the personal and professional development of students. They offer valuable opportunities to gain practical experience, explore career paths, and develop essential skills that cannot be obtained through classroom education alone. The sad reality of current internships is the lack of structured learning programs or meaningful mentorship, leaving interns without the guidance and support they need to develop their skills effectively. These programs, which should be hands on and immersive, often leave students with surface level knowledge and zero real world experience. Many companies even restrict interns from touching or working with machinery, equipment, or even software, further limiting their learning potential. To overcome these challenges of unengaging and unproductive internships, especially in the mechanical, aerospace, industrial, and related domains, we at Addere Creations are conducting a 1 month internship on 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D designing, the fields in which we have been pioneers for over 6 years. If you are genuinely seeking to enhance your skills and gain real time knowledge, expertise in practical applications in the field of design, manufacturing, and other latest technologies, then your search ends right here with this video. Participate in our 1 month internship program starting the 16th August 2023, exclusively designed for students to gain hands on experience, helping them boost their careers ahead. Our vision is to equip the engineers of tomorrow to become impactful innovators with a strong purpose to improve the world. See you at the internship on 3D printing, 3D scanning, and 3D designing at Addere Creations. Thank you.